purchased na bag this year. I bought this from Germany, and it is a great bag. It is. Pare-pareho na ngayon ang mga bag sa mga luxury bag. Pare-pareho na sila mga style, like of course. But I like this quality. Itong pearl na to. Pangalawang pearl ako na to. Kasi yung isa kasi, para siyang soft. Pero nabili ko naman siya sa New York. This time is in Germany. I love it. You should buy some pearl purses. There's a lot of choices. It depends on you which one that yung taste mo ba. Is Bella. I didn't realize. Yes, yan yung price niya. It's about $400. So, yeah, I bought this from a friend. My comadre.